Positive Gains is gonna help us with this video.
That's right. Yeah. We got a lunch tote here. These are all on clearance, as you guys can see. Maybe you want to have your kids go in style. Me, no, but maybe you do. Little fish bag here. It's all decor. Even if you don't want to use it as a lunch bag, you can use it for something else. Look at this. This looks like grandma's purse right here, but it's a lunch bag as well. Let's see what we got here. We got the glass storage containers. Good deal. Maybe not. Something there. We got more Tupperware, the deep ones. So when you want to have your kids really dig for those cookies, you put them down there. But if you look over here, got a bunch of table runners.
How much are they?
Let's see, 19. So 10, you know, with the clearance. The red is 50% off. This one's about $6, $7. A lot of good table runners. I'm not really a fan of them myself. I spill a lot on them, but you know. What else we got?
Can you get that one? The top one?
This one.
Yeah, we're gonna take that one home.
Excuse me? This one's already falling apart. I don't think.
Okay, get the other one.
So yeah, 10. You know, this table runner, if you don't want to use it as a runner, you use it as a blanket.
Or you can put two together and make yourself one nice long pillow for your bed.
No, you don't. You guys don't want to do that. Trust me. You can stop.
Don't listen to him. If you buy two of these ones, well, there's some other, like this style right here. You buy two, then you can buy one of those, the pillow fillings or the pillows, and just sew two of these together, or even use some hot glue, and you can make yourself a nice little throw pillow. We have some cutting boards here too, 50% off. I don't think this is a cutting board, but it's nice. This is $7. That's not bad. This is clearance, little butter container, $6. What's it is? $12. Here are these white containers. You can always use these to put some fruit in, and they're only $6 right now. And white will always look good in the kitchen. Makes it look nice and classy. White is always a good color to go with in your kitchen. And these $3 pure oil. This is not bad. $7. This would also made a really good decor piece. Like if you have something in your kitchen, like a plant or something, and you want to put this behind it, it'll make a nice little decor piece for that. I might actually grab that. Here's another clearance aisle. What'd you find?
Hopefully something for my chair.
How much is it?
It's $12.99 for 50% off.
What chair are you gonna put that on?
I'm looking for a memory foam. You know.
Over there.
They don't have anywhere that you can try them on. Try it out at.
Right there. Those I think are memory foam. That brown one right there? No?
Let's see. There's no chairs though. I gotta try it out.
I like this one. This is funny. $2.50. That's not bad. They're $1.50. Definitely better quality than the Dollar Tree ones, and only 50 cents more. Or actually, $1 more. You really can't beat that. So I think it's well worth the $2 if lemons are something that you're into right now. Along with the table runners, they have these tablecloths. These placemats, sorry. These are good if you were to buy 2 of these and use some hot glue, or if you're a sewer, you can sew them together and then just put some pillow filling in them. You can make yourself a nice little pillow for your couch or your bed. Go ahead, babe, show them everything that you got.
No, I didn't get all this right here. This is on standby right here. We're gonna wait and see what it scans. Hopefully it's on sale, but I highly doubt it. So don't mind it, it's on standby.
This is actually for a gift, so you guys can always shop when there's sales for birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, stuff like that. Have it in stock and you'll save lots of money. These we're actually going to be fixing our pantry up, making a pantry makeover, so these are half off right now. It's a very good deal. I was actually going to get some of these at Walmart for double the price. So these are actually really, really good deal right now. And they are look. Collapsible strainers are always good for spacey. See? And it's only $7. It's 50% off. Okay, here we have some bins. It's a nice color. I don't know how much that. $7.
Buying these.
Yeah.
They're good cheap. Not only
The
that,
kids will probably break them.
you hurt yourself.
These are $6. These are meant to be outside, but these will actually be really good for like organizing, especially something deep. Maybe like a pantry or something. They don't necessarily have to be used outside. See how they're really thin like this and they have a handle? You can easily pull them in and out. Especially if you have a smaller pantry and maybe like even inside a cabinet since they're not very tall. This would be good, and you can put a little label here, the chalk labels from Dollar Tree and stuff. Those would be really good. These are good for organizing, your garage and stuff. These are only $5. And then we found this over here. It's $15. It's supposed to be for seeds, but my husband actually mentioned using it for like going on a picnic. Is that what you said, babe? Going on a picnic.
Sandwiches, drinks, cookies, chips. There it is.
Or you can put like your cleaning supplies in here. It's easy, and it's very solid, so nothing's gonna break through or anything like that. You can also use them like if you're gonna go to a party and you want to put like the utensils here, like the napkins and stuff like that. You might be able to get like the cake plates in here. Definitely lots of options to be able to use this for.